Why do I have blue eyes when both my parents have brown eyes? It's like a mystery. Ever wondered why you have certain traits? Meet Gregor Mendel, the father of genetics, who cracked the code of inheritance with his pea plant experiments. Gregor Mendel was an Austrian monk who loved gardening and science. Mendel's work wasn't recognized during his lifetime. Published in 1866, his research was largely ignored by the scientific community at that time. The scientific community was more focused on Charles Darwin's work on evolution, and they didn't see the connection between Mendel's findings and inheritance. The work was rediscovered around 1900 by three scientists. In the mid-1800s, he conducted experiments with pea plants to understand how traits are passed from one generation to the next. Mendel chose pea plant because they have easily observable traits like flower, color and seed shape. Plus, they reproduce quickly, making them perfect for experiments. Mendel started by crossing pea plants with different traits. He focused on 7 traits that are: plant size, tall or dwarf, position of flower, axial or terminal, flower color, purple or white, pod color, green or yellow, pod shape, constricted or inflated, pea color, green or yellow, pea shape, round or wrinkle. Mendel found that some traits are dominant, meaning they mask the presence of other traits which he called recessive. For example, tall plants are dominant over short plants. This is Mendel's first law of dominance, that states dominant character suppresses the recessive one. Mendel's second law, the law of segregation, states that each individual has 2 alleles for each trait, which separate during the formation of gametes. This means offspring inherit 1 allele from each parent. Third law, the law of independent assortment, explains that genes for different traits are inherited independently of each other. This is why you inherit your mom's eye color but you dad's hair color. To predict the probability of traits in offspring, we use a tool called a Punnett square. For example, if we cross a homozygous dominant plant with a homozygous recessive short plant, all offsprings will be tall. Today we know that DNA and genes follow the same principles Mendel discovered over 150 years ago. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comment and subscribe.